Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic major groups of Protista. Definition of Protista. Protista is a diverse group of eukaryotic organisms that do not fit into any other kingdom. They can be unicellular or multicellular and live in various habitats. Classification of Protista. Animal-like protists are called Protozoa and include amoebas and Paramecium. Plant-like protists are called algae and include diatoms and dinoflagellates. Fungus-like protists are called slime molds and water molds. Characteristics of Protista. Protista are unicellular eukaryotic organisms with diverse nutritional modes. They include algae protozoans and slime molds, among others. Major groups of Protista. Protozoa are unicellular organisms that move using cilia, flagella, or pseudopods. Algae are photosynthetic protists that can be unicellular or multicellular. Slime molds are fungus-like protists that can move and feed as a single organism. Importance of Protista. Protista is a diverse group of eukaryotic organisms that play a critical role in maintaining the ecological balance of aquatic environments. Major groups of Protista. The kingdom Protista is a diverse group of eukaryotic microorganisms that do not fit neatly into other kingdoms, such as animals, plants, or fungi. Protists display a wide range of characteristics and are not closely related to each other in an evolutionary sense. As a result, the classification of protists is often debated and subject to change. However, traditionally they have been grouped into the following major categories: animal like protists, protozoa. These protists are single-celled organisms that often exhibit animal-like behavior. They are heterotrophic, meaning they obtain their nutrition by ingesting other organisms. Protozoa can be further subdivided into various groups based on their means of locomotion, such as flagellates, example Trypanosoma, ciliates, Paramecium, and amoebas, amoeba proteus. Plant-like proteus algae. Algae are primarily photosynthetic proteins. Protists. They can be unicellular or multicellular and are often found in aquatic environments. They include green algae, red algae, brown algae, and diatoms. Green algae are, for instance, are closely related to land plant and are believed to be ancestral to them. Fungus like protists. These protists share some characteristics with fungi. They are typically decomposers and can form structures similar to the fungal mycelium. Slime mold, water mold, and cellular slime mold, and example of fungus like protists. Other groups. In addition to the above major groups, there are several other diverse protists that do not fit neatly into the categories mentioned above. These include various amoeboid protists. They do not neatly fit into the animal-like category and other unique microorganisms like eukaryotes. It's important to note that as our understanding of protein diversity and evolutionary relationship advances, the classification of these organisms may change. In fact, with the advent of molecular biology and genetic analysis, many protists have been reclassified or placed in different parts of the eukaryotic tree of life. The field of protostantology is continuously evolving, and the traditional classification into these major groups may become more refined in the future. Animals protist flagellates. Flagellates are protozoa that move using whip-like flagella. They are often found in aquatic environments. A well-known example is Trypanosoma, which causes diseases like African sleeping sickness and Chang's disease. Ciliates. Ciliates are characterized by the presence of hair-like structures called cilia, which they use for movement and feeding. Paramecium is the commonly studied ciliate. Amoebas. Amoebas moving using pseudopodia, which are temporary extensions of their cell membrane. Amoeba proteus is a well-known example. Epicomplexans. These are non-motile obligate intracellular parasites. The group include Plasmodium, responsible for causing malaria, and Toxoplasma, which can infect a wide range of hosts, including humans. Microsporidia. These are intracellular parasites that lack conventional mitochondria. They often infect animals and can cause diseases in humans and other organisms. Foraminifera. Foraminifera are marine protozoa that have a shell made of calcium carbonate. They play an important role in marine ecosystem and are used in photo cinematology and geological study. Radiolarians. Radiolarians are marine protists with intricate marine skeletons. They are known for their beautiful and intricate silica shells and often as a part of marine plankton. These animal-like protists exhibit a wide range of ecological roles and can be found in various environments, including freshwater, marine ecosystem, and even as parasites in animals. They are important part of the microbial world and play significant roles in nutrient cycling, aquatic food webs, and disease transmission. Plant protists, green algae. Green algae are photosynthetic protists that share a common ancestor with land plants. They are often found in freshwater and marine environment. Examples of green algae including crossmons and Cyprogera. Red algae. Red algae are mostly marine and are known for their red pigments, which allow them to photosynthesis in deeper water where other colors of light are observed. On wall known red alga is profera, which is used to make nuri, a type of seaweed. Brown algae. Brown algae are typically large and complex multicellular protists found in marine environments. Clip is a well-known example of brown algae. Diatoms. Diatoms are unicellular or colonical protists with intricate silica shells. They are abundant in both marine and freshwater environments and play a significant role in the carbon and oxygen cycles. Euglenides. Some euglenides and photosynthetic protists that contain chloroplast and can carry out photosynthesis. Euglena is a commonly studied euglenides. Dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are unicellular or colonical protists, some of the which and photosynthetic. They are important components of marine and freshwater plankton. These plant-like protists carry out of photosynthesis and the cuticle primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. While they share some characteristics with plants, such as ability to photosynthesize, they are typically unicellular or simple multicellular organisms or belong to the kingdom Protista or are found within other kingdoms rather than the plant kingdom Plantae. Thank you for exploring the world of Protista with me. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video and share.